Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Now the boy, SHAYNE EARLE, aka Mutumbo, them slap him way down at St. Elizabeth, the police. Them say when them kill him, he did have a gun upon him. But he did have something else upon him. It never talk about. What is weird about this, when that boy get catch and them kill him, C-Toc, down in St. Elizabeth, him have a 14-year-old girl with him. Now explain that shit. Big grown ass man, seen passport there, in driver's license, I mean. Him born in a 1990. And him have a 14-year-old girl with him, a grind dog. That me have a problem with. But me I wonder if where our parents them there, them complacent, them afraid of him. Him left, which part him left from, and coming at the people them neighborhood. And they I grind off the people them 14-year-old daughter and nobody not talk. Maybe that's why them give him up, because the police them say them get a lead on him and then definitely go for him. I forgot the name of the police. Hicks or one of them police they were a lead C-Toc. And then go for him. Him a grind off the people them 14-year-old daughter. You see the kind of slackness we go on in Jamaica. You see the kind of slackness. And when them kill him, them catch a gun upon him. So the police them get a good line upon him. Remember I'm telling you, police work with information. Them can't just come if them don't know where you're there. That different when them a patrol. But C-Toc, anytime they move off of information. And it seems like the same police them a follow the criminal anywhere they move to now. Cause when Mutumbo did there one place, the same police find him blow out. But my God, man, then the man will bring him come to St. Elizabeth and dead there with him. Afraid of him, dog. And have him a grind off the people them 14-year-old daughter. And I talk about them a bad man. When they smell bad, yo, them 26 year dog, me I tell you. Next thing him dead on him birthday. Happy birthday Mutumbo or whatever the hell you want name. You see what I'm saying? You go around and take people life. You rape off people, girl picnic. And things say, yo, you have a nice day. The police then do a good job on that one. I'm not going to talk no more, but it is sad. Them catch him with a 14-year-old girl. I talk about him a bad man. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe. And click on another video. But that boy had started. Me I tell you, the boy about Jamaica, they was some pussy. Yo, B, me not care how bad a man is, you know. Me nah hang around a man. I have no little girl around here, you know. I do certain thing, you know. I do not eat their king and them thing there, you know. Me not care how bad a boy want be. Me nah put up with that. If it's justifiable, because a boy, yeah, countryman ready. Once me I protect my family and protect my hard-earned cash. But me not understand the mentality of Jamaica for somebody to harbor somebody like that in them community. And not only that, Make them young daughter go with somebody like that. That shit don't make sense to me. Real bizarre. I'm out.